ConcealedComfort.com Personal Protection Outfitters presents a video tutorial on how to elevate a deep riding pistol in the genuine Cell Pal holster. You don't like your gun setting so low in the genuine Cell Pal holster. You feel that a higher ride like this will give you better access to the butt of your handgun. Well, here's what you need to do to get the desired result. You need a marking device, you'll need something to make a hole with, and you'll need an aluminum binder screw, 3/16 of an inch. You can get those at Ace Hardware. And of course, your handgun in the genuine Cell Pal holster. Start by setting your gun up in the genuine Cell Pal holster at the point you feel best suits your desired result. Next, mark the point just under the trigger guard. And now, take your hole making tool and punch a hole through both sides of the holster, like this. Insert the binder screw and set the two pieces together on each side of the holster and secure it. That's it. Your handgun's now sitting exactly where you want it in your genuine Cell Pal holster. Thanks for watching. We hope you've enjoyed this tutorial.